Hello guys, my name is Sam and I'm here to show you how to draw Mekko graphs with MEKKOGURU version 2.0. I did not intend to shoot another video, but MEKKOGURU was upgraded, so I had to. So with that spirit, let's begin. Let's say that you have data look like this, the beer production of each state. I'm more interested in beer consumption, but anyways. Again, I don't know if the numbers are right, I just googled them, so please don't ask. There already is a Mekko from this data, because I rather made the datasheet from this Mekko to show you how to. And this is made with the Mekkographics, so whoever made this, he paid a fortune. Anyways, let's recreate this Mekko with MEKKOGURU and see how it goes. First, you have to open the MEKKOGURU file from Excel that you purchased, not copied. And it is upgraded to version 2.0. So now you have 10 columns and 20 rows. The size of the file also increased. So 2.0 may give your computer a hard time. So it can be a good excuse to buy a new computer. Yay! Now you put in the information and the data on the each boxes. I made this easy to copy and paste form, but you can type in yourself, of course. So let's copy the data from here. And the paste and copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay then. So we have Mekko right here. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, if you compare this with the original one, you see for the far left side bars have more grayish color. I have mild OCD that I need to match with the original versions, so I'll change the color. When you scroll down, you can just check the color palette. The MEKKOGURU 2.0 now has much more colors. Making this color panel made my fingerprint disappear. And now we put the codes on here. Then you'll see how the color is changed. Then again, you'll need to do some beautifying works, like lines and labels and values and all that thing that the original one have. So the MEKKOGURU upgraded to 2.0, and the 2.0 is so much more developed, and it automatically supports none of those either. Again, sorry folks. So someone please tell the Bill Gates that I need some function to draw the lines and some investments. Anyway, I prepare some lines and labels to show you how it will look like once you paste it. So we move all these over and over and over and over. You get the idea, right? So once you finish your beautifying works, your Mekko will look like this one. So when you compare this to the original Mekko, don't you think the new one is a lot better? Well, that's because the original one was so ugly, and because I did most of the beautifying works myself with the PowerPoints, not because MEKKOGURU is super awesome. I'm being honest, I have to admit that additional beautifying works I gotta do with the PowerPoint is painful. However, that was not painful enough to pay $3.99 per year only for that. How about you? Anyways, I'm done for today. So I'll see you guys again. Although I don't actually see you guys literally. Okay. So have a good day. Ciao.